last lecture we have seen the measurement of single phase power using the 1 wattmeter method. In this lecture we studied the measurement of 3 phase power. In previous lecture we have studied the single phase power measurement, and in this lecture we have studied the measurement of 3 phase electrical power by using single wattmeter method. In the 3 phase power measurement we have only one single wattmeter, but there is a measurement of 3 phase power. आवाज येतो ना पार्टिसिपंट? हॅलो, ओके. स्क्रीन दिसते पार्टिसिपंट? This is the diagram for the star connected load and the measurement of electrical 3 phase electrical power by using 1 wattmeter method. This is a 3 phase supply or 3 phase load diagram. In that diagram the wattmeter is connected to only R phase, Y phase and B phase is as it is connected to your load. In the wattmeter connection, the R phase, that is the phase terminal of R, is firstly connected to M terminal of your wattmeter. Then L terminal of that wattmeter is then connected to your load, that is the R phase. Then M and C terminal of that wattmeter are short circuited, and V terminal of wattmeter is directly connected to your neutral point. This is the actual connection of single wattmeter in the 3 phase supply. Again, R phase is connected to M terminal of wattmeter. L terminal of wattmeter is connected to R phase of load. M and C terminal of wattmeter are short circuited, and V terminal of wattmeter is directly connected to your neutral. Then Y phase of supply is directly connected to your Y phase of load, and B phase of supply is directly connected to B phase of your load. This is a constructional diagram or the connection diagram for the measurement of 3 phase electrical power by using the single wattmeter, but this load is of star connected. दोघांसाठी आपल्याला पॉवर मेजरमेंट स्टडी करायची आहे फॉर दी delta connected load and for the star connected load. This is the diagram for the star connected load. Then the current flowing through the R phase is denoted by IR. This IR is known as the line current. There is some basic difference between the line current and phase current. The current which is flow through the respective line, that means R line, Y line, B line. In the star connected load, the line current and phase current both are same because of phase and line in the star connected load are the same. That's why IR is pronounced as a phase current or as a line current. Then IR is the current flowing to R phase, IY is the current flowing through Y phase, and IB is the current flowing through B phase. Up to clear this? सगळ्यांना एवढं सांगितलं हे समजलं का? Participant. Then from this current reading and the voltage across the pressure coil, we have write the equation for the total power measurement. Then our power equation is the P is equal to VI cos phi. This is our equation of active power. Then I is the current which is flowing through your current coil, and in this wattmeter connection IR is the current which is flowing through your current coil. That means ICC, the current flowing through current coil, is equal to IR. IR is the current which is flowing through your current coil of the wattmeter, because wattmeter is connected in series with your R phase. If the connection is interchanged, this wattmeter is to be connected in the Y phase. Then at that condition, we have take the reading as a current coil current, that is CC. ICC is equal to IY. If कोणत्या केस मध्ये असं होईल? If we connect the wattmeter in series with Y phase, but in our diagram the wattmeter is connected in R phase only. That's why we consider IR is equal to ICC. IR is the current flowing through R phase is equal to the current flowing through your current coil of wattmeter. This one the second equation. Then secondly, we have measured the voltage across pressure coil. In this diagram, pressure coil is connected in between R phase and neutral. बघा connection कसे गेले. M and C are shorted. That's why due to the disconnection of M and C, the R phase and then neutral both are connected. Means your pressure coil is connected to R phase and second terminal of pressure coil is connected to directly neutral. That means the voltage VPC means voltage across pressure coil is equal to VRN. VRN is the voltage between R phase and neutral. एवढं समजलंय पार्टिसिपंट हॅलो स्टुडंट. हा हे इथपर्यंत समजलं का? Okay, listen carefully. IR is the current which is flowing through your R phase, but our connection is your wattmeter is connected in R phase. That's why the current flowing through R phase is equal to current flowing through your current coil of wattmeter. This is the first equation. IR is equal to ICC. Second equation, the pressure coil is connected in between R phase and neutral. कनेक्शन मध्ये बघा एम आणि सी शॉर्ट केलाय म्हणजे इन शॉर्ट काय होते आर फेज आणि व्ही टर्मिनल डायरेक्टली न्यूट्रलला कनेक्टेड आहे. मग आर फेज अँड न्यूट्रल आर कनेक्टेड अक्रॉस दी सप्लाय. means VRN is equal to VPC is the second equation. Then if we put these two equation in our power equation, that means P is equal to ICC VPC into cos phi. ICC, instead of ICC we can put the IR, and instead of VPC we can put the VRN. Then total power equation P is equal to IR into VRN into cos angle between IR and VPC.